Okay, so we're gonna do a lat prayer. So lat prayers are great if you have shoulder range of motion issues or if you want to strengthen the lat region itself. Yes? Okay,
Yeah.
so your lats insert from this kind of region and they finish their insertion on the back of your arm here.
Yeah.
Okay, so because of that, with lats, to get a full contraction, you want to extend. And because, as you mentioned, it does attach to the spine and the ribs, a little bit of rotation helps as well, okay? But for now, we're just gonna work on the full extension of your shoulder. Okay.
I feel like I never feel my lats.
And that's what we're gonna work it on today. So if you don't feel your lats,
I never feel them, but I feel like I'm doing my pull downs like pretty, like with the correct technique.
okay, let's go through the way I do the technique. So I like to use a bar. And in terms of, and I was going to mention this before, so when you set up a bench press, an overhead press, or a lat pull down, the best hand position is for your natural hand position to be. So celebrate, yeah, that is the hand position you want to
So
be.
a little bit back.
No, like this is the width you want to be.
Oh,
This
the
is so if this is your natural bench pressing width, overhead pressing width, it'd also be your lat prayer width or your pull up width. So for me, this is the position. I'll get into my stance. The hardest part is keeping my body here. So this is a bit too light. It's not going to keep me down. So getting into this position, overhand grip. So the main reason I do a little bit of hip hinge is to force my shoulder into a bit more of a stretch.
Yeah.
So I'm getting into this stretch position where my lats are pretty much behind, my arms behind my head. Engaging everything to keep me solid, keeping my arms either completely straight or slightly bent. Okay, it's a pure shoulder extension movement. Okay, so in this position, I'm bringing it as far back behind me as I can. Okay? So starting here, the bottom position is just so I'm stable, keeping head neutral, and I'm keeping my arms straight, bringing it down till it hits my legs or my groin.
Are you coming up like the tiniest bit, or is your hinge just still the same hinge?
No, everything, so if you watch my body, nothing should move. It's
Yeah.
only my shoulders are moving. Okay.
And you can feel it like in your lats and your sides?
Let's have a look. So if I come down here, I can feel it a little bit. It's not as dramatic as I would want it to be.
I see the engagement a little bit, but like, I can just like never, how am I meant to tell someone what it feels like if I don't know what it feels like?
So you're gonna test it yourself. So, all right, get into the position for me, please.
You had it like tucked up, right?
Yep, so this is the same kind of position that you were celebrating. Okay, so here. Okay, so before you start, yep, just kind of sit back a little bit, good. And then leaning your body at a 45-degree angle. Let your shoulders naturally just elevate. Is it too light for you?
Yeah.
Yep, okay. There you go. Try again. Sit back into it. Okay, so head neutral. So you're kind of looking at a 40. Yep, there you go, good. Yep, and then as you go, thinking about bringing it down to your groin. Good, and you should feel there engage. Come back up, let it stretch all the way. And then back down, so feeling it here. Yeah? Come a bit closer. Yep, go again. So starting position, I want you to try to get the shoulders as high as you can. Good. Yep, and then just there, come down. Yep, it's engaging.
It is?
Yep, and then feel it extend. Come back down. Good. Extend all the way, extend all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. Good, feel the stretch there, and then contract. Good, one more rep. Extend all the way, good stretch, and then back in. Cool. How does that feel?
I feel like I can feel it in my triceps, but I'm not like bending my elbows.
No, that's fine, because you're going to use your triceps to stabilize it.
Yeah.
Okay? Absolutely fine.
It feels like my triceps hurt more than my lats are bent.
Yes. So it could be the fact that your lats are stronger than your triceps. So you're feeling it where you're weakest.
That makes no sense.
It-
I've never worked out my lats.
But your lats is a default because it's such a big global
Big
muscle,
muscle, yeah.
it's going to be stronger by default compared to your triceps.
That makes sense.
So if you don't feel it, you're going to extend the range of motion. So I would usually recommend 2 grips, but I don't have 2 grips.
Like 2 of these?
Yes. So this way you can force the extension. So similar position as before, okay, starting here, but this time I can go further. Because I'm not limited by the bar, it's letting me extend further, yeah?
I've actually never thought about using it with the
So if
rope.
I've got two ropes, in this position, I would be able to go all the way past and extend. Make sense? I just don't have two ropes. So you can test it if you want with two of the attachments, but it might be limited
Can I
again.
try with the cable?
Let's try with the cable.
With the rope?
Yep. And if you don't feel it, we can do it with resistance bands. So come closer, come closer. Yep, start, yep. Making your head a little bit, yep, good. And then come down.
Oh my god.
Is it too heavy?
A little bit.
Okay, let's try lighter. So again, think about the stability component because you're working with ropes now, a little bit more stability. Good,
Oh, actually, this is so much better.
good. Come down. I'm gonna poke your lats. Good, lats are engaging. So this is not limited by the bar, you can go through yourself. Yep,
Is that okay?
that looks good. Do you feel it?
Yeah.
Good.
Way more.
So make sure you feel the stretch at the top.
At the top, right?
Yep, and at the bottom.
Wait, can you do it and then can I feel your lats engage?
Yep. That's fine, you can keep the weight light, it should be all right. Okay, so starting in this position.
Yeah?
Yep,
Good.
yep.
Oh my god, this is like without changing.
Come up, good stretch, and then contract. Come up, feel the stretch, and then contract. Do you feel it?
Yeah. A little.
Okay, cool. So that's a good option. If you're limited by equipment, use two bands.
Okay.
So let's just use this because it should be relatively light. So same position, and then coming down. Oh, this is pretty heavy, eh? Let's not go too heavy with this one. Do I have another yellow TheraBand? Let me just grab another yellow TheraBand. Okay, so let's say they have limitations or like they still don't feel it. You can use two TheraBands, okay? Okay, so same position, coming here. And this way you can get full extension all the way as far back as you can. Keep in mind, once you get to this position, your triceps may take over,
Yeah.
okay? And then come back up.
So yeah, because I remember like they said to like if you're doing it with the bar, obviously since you're limited, it should like the way that my tutor demonstrated, because like this is what confused me, right? When she did it, she would like an audio, like she would like thrust up, you know what I mean?
Yep.
And she said that this was like more natural for her. She also did say that not everyone might do that, but I can't remember if that compromises the movement or not.
It slightly can, because the trunk angle, that's,
Yeah.
yep, so,
Because you're reducing the range of motion.
yeah, so for me, so when my trunk angle is like
Yeah.
this, I'm getting like technically past extension,
Yeah.
and then if I lift up a little bit, it's just to like
It's
neutral.
just,
You,
okay.
yeah.
That
It doesn't make a huge difference per se, but because you've got this extra limiting, you're taking away range of motion, but it does work your glutes a bit as well.
So if I had a patient who said that this like coming up got a bit natural, would it be like good if I was like, okay, we can continue this for a while, but then slowly kind of like what when they get comfortable with the movement?
It depends on their goal. So
Okay.
if their goal is to be like a bodybuilder where they want to isolate the muscle quite intensely,
Yeah.
you would completely take that out of the question.
Yeah.
And the way you would do that is you'd like get them in a seated position or a kneeling position.
yeah?
So this way they can't really do the hip thrust,
Yeah,
or it's a little bit harder to do the hip thrust, or even in a seated position. So let's say I'm sitting, I can just stay like that. Yep. So I can still get the range of motion, but I'm not needing the stability to kind of hip hinge at the
Yeah,
end.
yep.
That's if it's bodybuilding and they really want to isolate the lats. If it's a functional movement, it doesn't matter
Okay.
because functionally you do whatever you need to do.
Okay, yeah, that
Yeah.
makes sense.
But try that with the two TheraBands or resistance bands.
Is that it?
Yep. Good. It's a little bit lighter, but yep, come down. And you feel the contraction in the lats, yes? Good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Pretty much. I was like,
Comfortable? Okay,
Yes.
cool. So you can do that. That's a good variation. But if you also want to, you can do the rotation as well. So you've seen me give this to a lot of people.
Yeah.
So unilateral, getting a full rotation at one end and then row and rotate on the other end. So you're getting a full stretch of your lats, okay, and a full rotation.
Do you still feel it like at the bottom of like your like your shoulders here?
Let's
or
try it. Yeah.
Do you feel it more on your side?
Let's try it. So go with the TheraBand so the resistance matches you. So yep. You might have to hold it a bit higher.
So like this way?
So stagger your stance. So in terms of position, opposite hand, opposite leg. So this hand in front. Good. Take a step back. So your starting position should be protracted.
Like here. Like I should be facing this way. This way.
Yep.
And then that way?
Yep. And then row and rotate. Do you,
Um.
go again, nice and slowly. So you can pivot on your toes if required. You should feel that there. Pivot on the back toe.
On the back toe.
Yep. Let it stretch you and then pivot.
I feel like it's in the same spot still.
Yeah, that's where you're meant to feel your lat.
So when people say like, I feel my lats like down here, like they're lying.
No, so again, last movement. If you still don't feel the lats, you can do an isolated movement. You could do the lat crunch. Yeah,
I've never done that.
let's do that now. Okay, so due to the lats insertion, you can.
Because I know they are really difficult to isolate.
Yep. So you can also do a unilateral vertical row with a lateral flexion, and some people use that to get a really good contraction through their lats. The only thing you're limited by is the height.
Oh yes.
Okay. So here, coming down, go for a row, and then add that little bit of a crunch, and then as you get better, you combine the movements together. So.
Oh okay.
Okay, it's cramping up already, so it's a good one.
Really?
Yep, give that a go. Yep. So start with the row, get to the bottom position, and then lateral flex. Yep, and come back up. Extend, row down. So do it separately first. So row, and then laterally flexed. Okay, come back up. Extend. Yep, and then just think about crunching your upper half. So try to squeeze the belly fat on this side, because at the moment you're shifting your hips. Okay.
Wait.
So let go of the weight. Let's just try and see if you can laterally flex first. Yep, let go. Cool. So just here, just crunching the tummy fat there. You feel the squeeze through there. Okay.
Oh my god, wait, maybe I
Try this side. Good. And this side. Okay, so now you're doing a row, and in the bottom position, you're adding that little bit of a crunch. Yep, cool. And then extend all the way, and then back down, little crunch. Good. Do you feel it in the lats? Yep.
Yeah.
So this is, again, if patients can't feel their lats, there you go, that's a good one.
Oh, okay.
Pretty comfortable?
No, I'm cramping.
Yeah, cramping is good. It means you're using something you haven't used before. Okay, balance, do the other side. So in this position,
Is this like a good distance? Like when my arm is like completely like.
it's fine for now. I would usually go in a little bit more. Yeah. Try that one. So crunch. Yep, good. Extend all the way. And then down, contract. Good. Comfortable?
But yeah, get the movement, please.
Cool. That's it. Anything else?
No, I think that's
There you
it.
go. Lat in service.